happy family, all the blood that I would bleed. I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I can write a song. 'Cause I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweet. I don't think you're right for him. Think of what it might have been if you took a bus to Chinatown. I'll be standing on Canal and Bowery. You should be standing next to me, 'cause I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweet. With me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweet. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweet. There ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe, if you don't know by now. There ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe, it don't matter anyhow. When your rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your window and I'll be gone. You're the reason I'm traveling on. Don't think twice, it's alright. Ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. It's the light I've never known. No, it ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road. I wish there was something you could do or say that try and make me change my mind and stay. We never did too much talking anyway. Don't think twice, it's alright. Tell, but goodbye's too good a word again. So I'll just say fare thee well. I ain't saying you treated me unkind. You could have done better, but I to come, but it's now somebody else's home. And it's strange to think that some other kid may have some of the experiences in that house that I had, and it's just a little bit sad. 1 month to pack up all of 27 years worth, so soon, so soon. 1 month to say goodbye to bricks and memories too, so soon, so soon. And by the next time I buy garden blues, it's strange to think some other kid may have some of the experiences in that house that I had, smoking in my room, sneaking out across the roof, and birthday parties in the kitchen, the camping trips on the weekends, the days my brothers became my friends. But it's now somebody else's home, and it's strange to think some other kid may have some of the experiences in that house that I had, and it's strange to think some other kid may have some of the experiences in that house I had, smoking in my room, sneaking out across the roof. This house we lived in so long, the place I wrote my first song, so long, so long. Thank you very much. I keep having these little talks to myself, trying to get my life back on the rails. Everything just seems so upside down. I've been walking the streets for hours, the first time I've left the house. I keep the machines and make the clouds go round. I don't need what's been offered me. Just like an ancient dream, she walked across the room to me. I smiled to see that she was looking well. Algebra and alphabets, the difficulties when we met. We always said next time it would be better. She can't see the time is changing me. I've been waiting, waiting. I've been patient, patient. Yeah, now it's all mine. Been waiting all of my life, and I want you to know you're gone before you go. You put on a great show. I'll never really know. waiting, waiting. I've been patient, patient. Now I